Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by preparing the vehicle and tools. Have the working mechanical key and every remote you want to program present in the car. Programming will erase absent remotes. Close all doors, sit in the driver's seat, lock the doors, and ensure the ignition is off. Confirm the Rav4 battery has adequate charge and each key fob battery is fresh, typically a CR2032 coin cell. If a remote's battery is low, replace it first. Replacing batteries prevents failed programming. To enter the Rav4 programming mode, start with all doors closed and ignition off. Insert the working mechanical key into the ignition and remove it twice within 5 seconds. This primes the system. Insert the key again and turn it to the on position so the dashboard lights up, but do not start the engine. Hold on for about 2 seconds. Turn the key OFF then on 2 more times and leave it on. You should hear the door lock cycle, which signals the car is in remote programming mode. Once the Rav4 is in programming mode, press and hold the lock button on each remote you want programmed, one at a time. Do this within about 40 seconds of entering mode. Hold each lock button for roughly 2 seconds until the doors cycle to confirm that remote learned. After programming all remotes, remove the ignition key to exit programming mode and test each fob from about 15 feet to verify range. If a remote fails repeatedly, replace its battery or consult a dealer for transponder or rekey assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.